from Growing Craft. Now I am working on my orders. Now the orders what I have is of gift tags. So I just thought I'll take you on a very quick tour on how I use this paper trimmer. So yes, I know you guys have already seen this in one of my tutorial review video where I had mentioned that how I use my paper trimmers and what are the collection of paper trimmers I have, but this one is a savior. Like, it has been, I am so happy that I bought this paper trimmer. Now why I will tell you that why I have bought this. Okay, now I usually make gift tags of different sizes. So here at the time I'm going to have my 220 GSM 2 cardstocks. Now I really know the exact size of my paper. So here very quickly I am going to cut it. Okay, now this is the portion which I know I had to cut, and now I'm going to cut another part, and just wait and watch. So usually what happens is when I'm making my gift tags or whenever I'm making with the paper crafting, I need to take out first the trimmer, then the scoreboard, but this one is fab. Now I need to score it into half size. So with the same trimmer, I just pulled up my cutter upside, and now I'm using my scoring tool, and voila, this is done. So yes, this is the reason why I highly recommend this paper trimmer, and this is genuinely because I absolutely loved working with this one. And you can see I really don't have to buy or use two different tools. With just one, so quickly I'm cutting down. So genuinely, like, I have already done the cutting work of these. Like, this is more than 30 to 40 in just few minutes, and now I just scored it, I have cut it, and my tag bases are ready. So you can see, like, just keep that while talking to you guys, I have just made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 tags. So I hope this was a quick glimpse of how quickly and how smartly you can use this paper trimmer. I'm sharing the paper trimmer link in the video description box. Do check that. If you guys have any query, comment below. I will be more than happy to answer. Don't go with the background because everything is so messy right now. And enjoy crafting. Take care. Bye bye.